Welcome to Beauty Detective, guys. In today's video, we're gonna check out the Yeti Vac 2 Pro, which is a smart vacuum. We're gonna check out what's inside these two boxes. We're gonna set everything up, and then we're gonna do a couple of tests just to see how well this vacuum works. We'll start off by unboxing the vacuum itself, and as you can see, you'll find everything needed to get you started. The first attachment is the oscillating mop with the washable pad already attached. Then you have the Yeti Smart Vacuum, which comes in white with some nice touches of black for an overall great look in my opinion. The build quality seems great at first glance, and we'll obviously get to test it in depth in today's video. Moving on, you'll find the instructions and quick start guides, which will come in handy when setting up the vacuum. Next, there's the home/base, which comes in the same white and black finish as the vacuum. You'll also find a power cord, which is quite long, and the last item in the box is the edge brush, which we'll need to attach to the vacuum. Now we're gonna go ahead and unbox the self-emptying station, which is sold separately. Right on top of the box is the base of the station, which comes in the same white and black finish as the vacuum for a clean overall look. There are some more instructions for the self-emptying station setup, as well as a ramp extension for the base. Next, you'll find a separate dust bag, which we'll get into more details later on, and you'll also find a couple of screws and a screwdriver, which we'll need later. Under the first layer, you'll find a power cable as well as the dust container in the same matching white and black finish, which again, I think looks amazing in my opinion and gives this vacuum a premium look. Now that you've seen what you get inside the box, I'll walk you through the different steps needed to set up the vacuum. First thing is to plug in the docking station with the included power cable and put it in an area where you'll have enough room on both sides as well as in front for the vacuum to move freely. For the next step, you're gonna take the edge brush and you're gonna clip it in place just over here, like so. Then just slide the vacuum in place and shift the red button to I from under the cover. You can then download the app and start the pairing process. To do so, just scan the QR code and press the network button for 1 second. This will generate another QR code, which you'll need to put quite close in front of the vacuum's top camera, and then you should be ready to go. So there you go, guys. These were the few steps to follow for setting up the Yeti Vac 2 Pro. But if you decide to go for the self-emptying station as well, this is what you need to do. Turn the dust container upside down and clip the base firmly in place. Then all you need to do is tighten the 3 screws like you see here. Obviously, plug the self-emptying station to the power cable and add the included ramp if you have the station placed on a carpet. Once that's done, slide the vacuum in place and it'll start charging and you'll be ready to go. The final look, as you can see here, is quite nice and definitely gives out a premium feel, which fits well with a large variety of furnitures and different decors. Alright guys, now that we've set up the self-emptying station, we're gonna test out how well it vacuums floors, carpets. We're also going to see the 3D obstacle avoidance system in action, as well as the self-emptying feature, which I'm super excited about. To start vacuuming, you can manually press the button and the vacuum will start cleaning using the last app setting, or you can power it on from inside the app and change some of the cleaning settings before it starts. When it comes to suction and power, you can see that after 1 pass, there is barely anything left behind. The bin will be large enough for multiple passes, so your floors will always be clean. And once the bin is full, you can manually empty it if you don't have the self-emptying station. I would personally spend the extra money and get the self-emptying station as well. The 2.5 liter dust bag will hold up to 30 days of dirt, and your vacuum will automatically empty its bin before resuming the vacuuming process. Moving on, if you have carpets around the house, you'll be equally impressed with the cleaning power. In fact, the vacuum will increase suction power automatically when it detects the carpet surface, and you'll be able to get a deeper clean. You can also increase the vacuuming power straight from the app and always have it at maximum settings at the expense of battery life. On the subject of the app, I find it quite intuitive and easy to use. It has a editable home map, which lets you select your cleaning preferences by choosing vacuum and water flow levels, cleaning sequences, and even rooms or areas that you prefer cleaning. Now, most of these settings will be available after your vacuum did a full pass of the house and has mapped out the area. In fact, you'll be able to set labels to different rooms, set dividers, and even draw keep out zones if you want to keep the vacuum out of certain areas of the house. After the first pass, you'll also be able to activate the 3D obstacle avoidance system, meaning that there's no need to pick up before you clean. The 3D obstacle avoidance technology senses and dodges daily objects like shoes, pet balls, kids' toys, or any other object in its way. Additionally, it detects space between and under your furniture, so that if the space is lower or narrower than Yiti's body, the vacuum will avoid entering those spaces to avoid getting stuck. Also, if you have stairs around the house, Yiti's cliff sensing sensors will make sure it doesn't fall over. Another great feature of the Yiti Vac 2 Pro is its unique oscillating mopping system. It scrubs off dirt from the floor while vacuuming at the same time. To do so, just add water to the included mop attachment like you see here and insert it into the back of the vacuum, which will automatically make it go into mopping mode. Here you can see just how well the mopping system works. In just one pass, there is no residue left behind, and from up close you get a good idea on just how well the oscillating system works, be it on wood, tile, or laminated floors. The Yiti Vac 2 Pro will also avoid carpets while in mopping mode, so you don't have to worry if you have multiple rugs around the house, and the mopping pad is removable so you can use it for multiple uses. Now in terms of noise level, I think it's personally acceptable, especially if you have it in a lower power setting, as you can see here. So there you have it, guys. I was pleasantly surprised with the Yiti Vac 2 Pro. It delivers great results both in vacuuming and mopping mode. It automatically increases its suction power for carpets, and it has some neat features like the 3D obstacle avoidance system. Now with that said, if you've enjoyed today's video, leave a thumbs up, it greatly supports the channel. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, thank you for watching, and Review Detective out.